Que la que hay, mi gente, and what's poppin'? Welcome to my channel. And today's video we're gonna do a purple pink tutorial on my beautiful face, and we're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, which looks like this. And I hope you guys definitely enjoy. In this video there are going to be a couple different products that are brand new to my collection of makeup, so I hope you guys definitely enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe and click on that little bell so you get notified whenever I do post a video. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and already set my eyes, so I actually used the LA Girls concealer over my lid, and then I went ahead and added this HD Flawless setting powder. It's a translucent powder from Absolute New York, and I added it on top of my lid just to kind of set in the concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this shade called Hush Hush, and I'm just gonna dab on both sides. That way there's product on both ends, no matter which way I turn my brush. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade Rockstar. It's this beautiful plum shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and take it above my crease, but not too far up where the transition color that we just put in doesn't get overshadowed by the pretty purple. And now I'm just going to kind of dab my brush into this Mystic color. It's like this dark purple shade, and I'm just going to bring it on my actual crease. So it's basically just this flat brush, and I'm going to put some concealer on my palm of my hand. That way that I can just put my brush on it. And we're going to put both sides just so that the product is on both ends, even whenever I twist and turn my brush. just make sure that the product from the concealer doesn't move around. Now by the time you're done trying to correct your halo, it should look something similar to this. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Ballsy, and it's this pretty like champagne rose gold, like beautiful pink. And I'm gonna add it to the halo. And then now I'm going to go in with this detailer brush by Real Techniques. And it's this really, really small brush. And I'm going to go in with that same color, but I'm going to go inside my crease where... Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. eye crease brush. And I'm going to dab it into this color right here called Sparks. And it's kind of like this red lava desert type red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here where there's product. So literally going to insert it on my crease. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Oh, not yet, because I haven't concealer on the other side. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Black. And I'm going to go ahead and just swing out this liner, boo. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with the Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. And I believe it's by L'Oreal. And we're going to put falsies, so I just want to make sure that our lashes are as voluminous and reach to the gods, my dear. Try these Sephora like cleansing wipes. It's like these makeup removers so you can take off your makeup. They are bomb, and then they have like a scent. This one's watermelon and I love it. So this actually concludes this look. I hope you all definitely enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. To all my subscribers, thank you for having me, and see you in the next video. Bye.